Hello and welcome to another video of Vices. Are you tired of spending hours trying to design something that looks good? Well, Microsoft Designer might just be the tool for you. With the help of Copilot and AI Assistant, even non-designers can create professional looking designs in just a matter of minutes. Microsoft Designer and Copilot, two powerful software programs that work together to make designing easier and more efficient. Microsoft Designer is a powerful design program that allows users to create beautiful and functional designs for a variety of purposes and includes a range of design tools, including image, editing, typography, and layout tools. With Designer, you can easily create and customize design elements and even import assets from other programs like Adobe Photoshop or Illustrator. But Designer is just the beginning. Meet Copilot, a revolutionary new tool that uses artificial intelligence to assist you with your designs. Copilot uses machine learning to analyze your designs and offers suggestions to help you improve them. It can suggest color palettes, font choices, and even layout adjustments to make your designs more effective. And the best part, Designer and Copilot work together seamlessly, allowing you to create amazing designs in a fraction of the time. Whether you're designing a website, creating a marketing campaign, or just putting together a presentation, Microsoft Designer and Copilot are the perfect tools to help you get the job done quickly and easily. So why wait? Try Microsoft Designer and Copilot today and start creating beautiful, effective designs in no time. Let's dive into how you can use Microsoft Designer right now. To get started, head to the Microsoft Designer website. Once there, click on the Start Designing button. Unlike traditional design tools, you won't be dropped into a blank canvas where you have to come up with a design idea. Instead, the left-hand side of the page prompts you to describe the design you want to create. Simply type in some text and the AI will generate a design based on that text. If you're having trouble coming up with an inspiration, check out the right-hand side of the page, where you will find different sample designs. Hovering over each one will show you the text that was used to generate that design. You can even add images or use AI to generate them. Let's say you want to design an Instagram post for the Viceverse AI company. You want the design to include robots, AI, and project a wholesome image. Simply type in the description and click Generate. You'll be presented with multiple design options to choose from. And if you don't like any of them, click Generate again for more options. Once you have found a design you like, you can make further refinements and tweaks by clicking Customize Design. This will take you to the main designer interface, where you can modify the text, colors, and visuals of your design. And if you get stuck, Copilot is always there to generate different design ideas. Overall, Microsoft Designer is a game changer for non-designers who want to create professional looking designs quickly and easily. So why not give it a try and see how it can transform your design process? Thanks for watching, and for more content on AI, subscribe to Wisefus and wait for our next videos.